Hindi lang 4-star, 3-star, 2-star, 1-star, 5-star hotel. Out of this world. Dinaig pa ni Pastor Quiboloy ang 10 utos ng Diyos. Sige, pupunta ako sa hearing. Pero sa 17 kondisyon. Hindi kami para utusan mo. You will not mock the system of checks and balances during our watch.
Can you mention some of that 17 conditions?
Ang pamagat ng 17 ay sets of conditions for Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy to attend Risa Ontiveros' Senate hearing. Number 1, unmask and show the full faces of your witnesses. No mask, no dark eyeglasses, no caps, bonnets, or head covering of any kind. Isa pa ito, halimbawa, ang kanyang number 8 na condition, I retain the right to personally cross-examine your witnesses. That includes you, Madam Chair. No time limit. Yung mga resource persons nga sa hearing ay hindi pinapayagang i-interpellate ang isa't isa. Ang mga miyembro lang ng Senado ang nagtatanong sa resource persons. At lalong walang resource person na nagtatanong o nagko-cross-examine sa chair. At madalas, in the interest of time, kami mismong mga kapwa-senador ay nag-o-observe ng time limit ayon sa facilitation ng chair. Ito sila, no time limit. So, talaga, out of this world. Huling halimbawa, number 14, all expenses incurred from this trip, yung kanya raw pagpunta rito na including private jet flight, back and forth, with parking in NAIA, food according to my dietary requirements, and fees for accommodation in a 5-star hotel for me and my party must be shouldered by your office. So wow, hindi lang 4-star, 3-star, 2-star, 1-star hotel, 5-star hotel.